Anyone who knows me knows that I absolutely freaking love Funko, and I've been invited along to Funko's head offices in Hammersmith. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm heading over and I'm so excited. I can't even deal. So I'm going to take you along with me for the ride. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Well, I've arrived at Hammersmith. I'm very excited. Got to go inside and then it's, I don't know, something at the reception. But yes, Funko. So this is the showroom, very cool, surrounded by pops. I will take you around and show you a good look at all of these pops. There's a lot of exclusives and chases and variants and etc, etc. I don't know what that is on my face, but it's off. But yes, let's take a look. This is cool stuff. I still need to get those tins. They're the ones that sell out tins. Yeah, they're not there at the moment. They're not online either. That's cute. Oh my god, this. What this? Oh. Best toy product Funko Star Wars: The Last Jedi. Very cool. No, I love Loungefly. There's so many amazing bags and stuff. Villains is cool. And Groot. Is this an egg timer? That's so cool. Craig is like, he loves Rick and Morty. Absolutely loves it. Do you like Stranger Things? I love these. Ordering them online though is annoying because they're sold as blind bags.
Oh, are they still?
So, well, they are on Forbidden Planet anyway.
Yeah.
I don't know about other places, but
Yeah, I guess that makes sense because I mean they still buy them in a box rather than
Yeah.
an individual piece. So. And I think initially they were going to be blind bags.
this Mickey is everything. Love, love, love. Oh, an Oogie Boogie.
I loved all the Halloween stuff, by the way, obviously. It's Halloween and everything.
Oh yeah. This is so cute. Little tiny Buzz. Hanging on the wheel. really excited for Aquaman to come out as well. That should be good. I'm just in the showroom. Okay, yes. Should I leave my bag and stuff?
Yeah.
Cool. Checking out another showroom. Oh, I love this. She looks so good. I love Lara Croft. Tomb Raider games are so good. Oh, Walking Dead. Are you, do you watch?
I haven't got the recent stuff.
Okay.
I think I stuck to the point where they were in the prison.
Ah. Yes.
Here's how I'm selling. You can tell it was bad.
Oh my god, you got this. I'm like, I love. Did you like the new It movie? I absolutely loved it.
I'm really excited for the next one.
So am I. It's really cool, I like this. Ah, that's cute. Little strange things in the wallet. Captain Marvel. Oh yeah. Well, that's it from Funko head offices. I hope you enjoyed a little look around at the showroom. I will add in a little bit showing you all of this stuff when I get back home. I am back home after my little trip to Funko and I wanted to show you the stuff that I've got in my little bag of goodies. So there's a whole bunch of pops, so I will get to those last, but I will start with the little small things first. So, okay, first up is this little Vanellope pop keyring. I love this, it's super cute. I actually shared on my Instagram page the other day on my stories the Vanellope pop, saying how cute it is and I really need to get it and pre-order it from Forbidden Planet. And now I've got the little pop keyring. Craig's just come back in with a cup of tea. Next up is this little, it's like one of the, I don't know what kind of thing this is, but this is a Little Mermaid pop. It's not pop, but it's a Funko keyring. Little Mermaid Funko keyring. Very cute, it's plushy and squishy. So, yes, very sweet. Next are a whole bunch of decorations. So these are really, really excited. Charlotte at Funko said that she wanted to send these to me before Halloween, but they weren't like released until just after. So they weren't in my Halloween video, but I have them now. So here they are, I'm gonna open them, so let's take a closer look. These are Christmas decorations to hang on the tree, but they're all from Stranger Things. They're adorable. Very, very cute, love this. The little nails in the back, very cute. And what's his name? This, I can't remember, I'm really terrible with names. I love Stranger Things, but really awful with names. This is Demodogs. So glad it says Demodogs. Winston? He named like the Demodog Winston, didn't he? It's adorable. He's actually like my favorite. A favorite of all the kids in Stranger Things. Very sweet. He's got his little backpack, his little hat, his little goofy smile. Very sweet. Next is, I want to say Sheriff Keller, but again, really bad with names, so I could be completely wrong. He's got his little sheriff outfit on, his little cup of tea, little coffee, his cup of coffee, and a donut. Next is Mike. Mike with his little walkie-talkie. How sweet. And his little backpack and his weird little hair, but he looks very nervous or afraid, I don't know. Mike. Next up is Will, little Will. Will is very sweet. He's smaller than the rest of them, but that makes sense because he's the littlest of them in the show. I feel really bad that I don't remember any of their names. I know like Mike and Will and 11, but I got another one. I've literally got the entire gang, so I'm very, very pleased to have the entire gang. Very sweet. I love how like bold these colors are. Really nice. I'm not sure how much these will retail for, but keep your eyes peeled. They'll be coming soon. This is very exciting for me. 11, she's got a little nosebleed going on. She's using her powers. Very, very cool. I love her. Very nice. I love like how stylistic they are. And then last but not least, now that we've got the whole gang out of the way, this is probably my favorite of these. It's gonna look very interesting mixed in with my Disney tree, but it's the Demogorgon. It's so cute. This little flower face, I like a lot. So massive thank you to Funko for gifting me these. The whole gang. Very cool. Also in this little bag of goodies were a couple of stickers. So there is Pennywise with spider legs and Steamboat Willie pop stickers. Then there is a pen topper Hulk, and it's like the old school. Is that right? Yeah, old school Hulk. Very, very purple, very, very green. And we'll move on to the pops now. So first up is Pain and Panic. I do already have Pain and Panic, so keep your eyes peeled for a giveaway coming soon with this little pack here. These are really, really hard to find in stores and they're quite expensive on eBay, I think. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled. Next is this. I saw this and I was like, oh, please, please, please. And yes, very, very kindly gifted me the Chase Xander Buffy the Vampire Slayer pop. I'm really, really excited to own Xander as a Chase because he's hard to find. Usually he would just come with his eyes as normal, but the Chase has an eye patch, which happened to poor Xander in season 7 of Buffy. His eye got popped out by Caleb. Bad guy. Then the last 3 pops are really, really cool. I will show you. And it's for a movie that is coming out in like less than 2 weeks now. So Ralph Breaks the Internet. So first up is the pop that I literally shared on my Instagram stories the other day, Vanellope. She's available for pre-order on Forbidden Planet right now. So make sure you pre-order and don't miss out. She's really, really sweet. I love her little attitude-y stance. She's got like candy all in her hair. Really, really nice pop. Love. Love, 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 love. And I also got Fix It Felix. He's so cute with his little button nose. He's very, very different to the one I've got here. I have one behind me here. I don't want to get it out because there's a whole load of them. But that is the 8-bit one. So he's like really, really heavy and like bricky. But yeah, Fix It Felix, very sweet. I'm so excited for this movie. If you are excited for this movie, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Do you think it's going to be better than the first movie? Did you love the first movie? What was your favorite part about the first movie? So many questions. Lastly, this is really, really cool. I was so excited about this character specifically because I went to if you've seen some of my, I think it was in a weekly vlog I did before, where I went to the Wreck-It Ralph preview screening thing where I saw loads of clips from the movie and like unedited, unfinished scenes and stuff. And this character is in a load of them. This is like the kind of narrator that moves the story along. This is Yes with a triple S. But this is again a Chase variant of her. So she's got a really, really sparkly, glittery coat, really sparkly, glittery hair. Don't think you can quite see the hair because the lighting is the wind away. But yeah, Chase variant of Yes. Really excited to have this. This was in the goodie bag. So this is like the first Chaser that I've actually got. And yeah, so I'm super pleased. I've come home with 2 Chase variant pop figures and I have never owned any Chase pops before. So it's been a good day. And I literally can't wait till the next time I go over to Funko head offices because I want to supermarket sweep the entire building. I'm gonna put my pops away on the wall behind me and I will see you in my next video. So give me a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below if you are an in the box or an out of the box pop collector. I would love to know because it's a very, very solid divide between collectors. See you in my next video. Bye!